Okay, so hello guys, this is Winner from No Play Trading. So I'm currently in the Euro USD trade right now. As you can see, we buying right now. Price came down, hit our point of interest over here, then started going up. So I was with a friend, and the guy actually asked me, now I caught this trade because when I showed him my charts, he kind of he didn't understand what was going on here. So like I just wanted to show him a little bit of a breakdown here. So we're gonna go back on our code this whole thing, right? So let me just remove this to make him understand. Okay, I'm not gonna remove the whole thing because right now I'm just using my phone. Like it's a quick video. So and I wanna give this to y'all so maybe one of y'all can learn one or two things in here. You know what I mean? Okay, so how did I catch this trade? So I'm gonna start from here. Where's my drawing? I'm gonna start from here, right? Okay. So what had happened here was, let me just remove some of these drawings because they don't look good. So I mean, don't mind me, guys. I'm using my phone. Hopefully, I get to make another video like this. I mean, maybe when I make it cleaner. I mean, it's a quick one anyway. So when you starting from here. Okay, sorry, just a minute. So from here going down, price was trending, right? Up until here. So what had happened here? What happened here is that as price was moving down, it broke structure. And what do we do when price breaks this structure? The further the second step was for you to look at the point of interest. Before you sorry like for you to before you look at the point of interest, you also have to look at the liquidity, right? Now what is the liquidity in this case? In my case, like according to my strategy, what I call liquidity is the valid pullback after the break of structure, right? So in this case, what's the valid pullback? The valid pullback in this case is here, right? This is why I marked the X. So you using the X over here. That was the valid pullback. After you recognize the valid pullback, what do you look up next? You look at the point of interest. In this case, which here is the point of interest? Here, right? This was the point of interest. Point of interest. But what did price do after here? You see, price never respected the point of interest. What did it do? It started, it kind of swept the liquidity over here. Liquidity was swept, and it actually gave the valid entry. You know, if like I even entered this trade just after I moved my stop loss to the break even, you know, the trade ended up going sideways. But that's trading. There's nothing we can do. You know what I mean? Nobody knows what's going to happen in the markets. Maybe a space from except from the hedge funds. You know what I mean? Hey, so what did price tell me this time? Price went ahead and broke this structure. Now, when price does this, what does it tell you? We call this change of character, right? The change of character. So what is the meaning of change of character? It's basically price indicating that the trend is about to change. You know what I mean? So the trend changes. What happened next? We go forward here, right? After the trend changes, what happened next? The same thing, this thing, the same thing always happens in the market, guys. That's why you need to have like your L1 setups, your B setups, and so on and so forth, guys. So like, what happened after change of character? That's I even marked here like this is a 1 hour change of character, and it's almost like the break of structure. I call them the same thing, but I just want to you guys to understand what I'm trying to say over here, right? Hope I'm making sense, guys. I'm using my phone. I'm sorry, but hope you get you learn a thing or two. So, what happened after the change of character? You know, or let me see. What do you look for after the break of structure? You look at the liquidity, right? In this case, the same thing, guys. The valid pullback. Sorry, the valid pullback. Where's the valid pullback? The valid pullback is here. The one I marked as high DM as inducement in this case, right? And after you you indicate the valid pullback, what else do you look at? You look at the point of interest. Where's the point of interest in this case? Here, right? This is the decision point of interest. Now, where's the extreme? The extreme in this case, let me change the time frame. Okay, so this is the decision point of interest. Now, where's the extreme, guys? Where's the extreme? The extreme point of interest is this whole thing over here, right? Exactly, this whole thing over here. Now, I'm currently in this trade over here. Now, why did I enter? I entered because I saw the entry, guys. I saw the entry, and the market gave me what it gave me, and as you can see over here, we're about to hit the TP, guys. Hey, guys, this is very easy, guys. I mean, for the lack of time, I cannot go further for the lack of time. But hey, this is very easy, guys. If you hopefully I get some more time to run you through this.